Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Before we start, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating better and better content for you. At the end, share your feedback or any insight you had while listening. Let's begin. You can lose money, objects, opportunities, relationships, and sometimes you can get them back. But there is one thing you will never recover: your time. Once a day passes, it is gone. You will never again have this year of your life, this age, this energy, this exact moment. Time is not just something you have. Time is your life, cut into small pieces. When you waste time, you are not wasting hours. You are wasting pieces of your life. Part 2. You think you have more time than you do. One of the biggest delusions is, I still have time. You say, I still have time to learn English. I still have time to change my body. I still have time to fix my habits. I still have time to build something. So you move slowly, you relax, you postpone, but you don't know how many years you have, how long your health will stay the same, how long opportunities will be open, how long people you love will be here. You live like time is endless. It is not. And the dangerous part is this: you will only feel how limited time is when a lot of it is already gone. Imagine your time as money in a bank account that you cannot see. Every day something is being spent. You don't know the total number. You only know that it is going down. If you could see the number dropping in real time, would you still use your days the same way? Or would you be a lot more careful with what you give your hours to? Part 3. How you waste time without noticing. You imagine wasting time as doing nothing. But you often waste time while feeling busy. You waste time when you live on autopilot. Say yes to everything and everyone. Stay in conversations that lead nowhere. Work on tasks that don't matter. Study English in a way that never really improves you. Stay in environments that kill your energy. You are active, but not intentional. You go through days that look full, but are actually empty of what really matters to you. At the end, you feel, I did a lot, but my life did not move. That is a quiet, pretty version of wasting time. Part 4. The most expensive waste. Wrong people, wrong places. Some of the biggest time waste is not on screens. It is with the wrong people in the wrong environments. You waste time when you stay with people who laugh at your goals. Explain your dreams to those who never try anything. Spend hours listening to complaints with no intention to change. Stay in a job, group, or context that you know is killing your growth. But you are afraid to leave. You tell yourself, at least I'm not alone. At least it's stable. At least it's familiar. But every year you stay stuck in the wrong place, you are not only losing time, you are losing confidence, energy, belief in new possibilities, parts of your personality. Keeping the wrong life. Because it is familiar is one of the most expensive ways to waste your time. Part 5. Don't waste your time pretending. Another way you throw away your days. Pretending. You pretend to be more motivated than you are, happier than you are, more interested in some people than you are, satisfied with a life that you secretly want to change. You waste time. Smiling when you want to say no. Saying maybe later when you mean never. Chasing things you don't really want because they impress other people. building an image instead of building a life. Pretending is exhausting. It eats your time and your soul. Because while you are busy performing a version of yourself for others, the real you is waiting and waiting and waiting. One day, that real you gets tired of waiting, and that tiredness feels like anxiety, emptiness, depression, strange dissatisfaction with everything. Sometimes you don't need a new life. You just need to stop wasting time pretending to live a life that is not yours. Part 6. Don't waste your time living the same year forever. Look at your last 3 years. Are they different? Or are they almost the same copied and repeated? Same habits, same problems, same excuses, same promises. If you are not careful, you can spend 5 years, 10 years, a whole decade simply repeating the same patterns. Different clothes, different phone, same life. You call it, time is passing so fast. But time is not fast. Time is neutral. You are just not using it consciously. So all your days start to look the same. Don't waste your time living 1 year of growth and then repeating it 40 times. Your life deserves new chapters, new skills, new places, new versions of you, new levels of English, of work, of relationships. If your years are only carbon copies of each other, your time is being quietly wasted. Part 7. Protect your time like you protect what you love. If someone tried to steal your phone, you would hold it tight. Steal your money, you would fight. Steal your family, you would do anything. But every day, distractions, fears, and comfort are stealing your time. And you just let them. You need to start protecting your time with the same intensity you protect what you love. Because your time is what creates your relationships, your health, your career, your English, your character. When you are protecting your time, you are protecting your future. This protection looks like saying no when everything in you wants to say, okay, just this once. Choosing one important task instead of 10 fake urgent ones. Telling some people, I can't talk right now. I'm doing something important. Closing your phone when your hand goes there automatically. Giving English practice a real, protected space in your day. These small, boring decisions are the way you say to life, my time matters to me. Part 8. A simple, don't waste your time. Protocol. Let's make this practical. Step 1. Decide what your time is for. If you don't decide, the world will decide for you. Write down. In this season of my life, my time is mainly for, maybe, learning and improving my English, taking care of my body and mind, earning and saving money, building a skill or project, being present with a few important people. You cannot focus on everything. Choose your main pillars. Step 2. Identify your biggest time killers. Be honest. Which apps? Which websites? Which people? Which thoughts? Which habits? Where does your time quietly disappear? You are not judging yourself. You are diagnosing the problem. Step 3. Create small rules, not big fantasies. Not, from now on, I will use all my time perfectly. Instead, no social media before 9 in the morning. Study English for 20 minutes before opening any apps. One focused block of work or study before I reply to messages. If I watch something, I decide the time before, not during. Small rules build big respect for your time. Step 4. Ask one powerful question every day. At some point in your day, pause and ask, is this how I want to spend my life? Not just this hour, your life. Because your life is made of hours like this. If the answer is yes, continue fully present. If the answer is no, change direction. Even if it is just a small shift, like closing one tab, taking a deep breath, opening your English notebook, going for a short walk. That small decision is how you stop wasting your time and start using it on purpose. Part 9. Don't waste your time waiting to feel ready. One of the most common ways you waste time. Waiting to feel. Motivated, confident, clear, less afraid, more prepared. You think, when I feel ready, I'll start. But feeling ready is a result of action, not a requirement for it. You become more confident by doing things while not confident. More prepared by starting before you fully know how. Less afraid by walking with fear, not by waiting for fear to disappear. If you wait to feel ready, you will keep your life on pause. Years can pass in this almost starting mode. That is one of the most tragic ways to waste your time. So the rule becomes, I don't need to feel ready. I only need to be willing. Willing to take one step, speak one sentence in English, try one new action, learn one skill, not next month, not one day, today. Not because today is magical, but because today is the only day you can actually touch. Part 10. Use your time in a way your future self will respect. Imagine yourself 10 or 20 years from now, looking back at today. Ask them, how do you want me to use this day? They probably won't say, please spend more time scrolling. Please care more about other people's opinions. Please wait longer to start. They will say things like, please study that language. It will open doors for us. Please take care of our body. I'm the one who will feel it later. Please be brave with your decisions. Don't stay stuck because of fear. Please enjoy small moments with the people you love. Some of them won't always be here. Your future self is the one who will live with how you used your time now. Use it in a way that they will respect you for, not hate you for. You've reached the end of Don't Waste Your Time here on English Rise. Today, you didn't just listen to English. You looked directly at the only resource you can never get back. Your time, your life in smaller pieces. From now on, remember, every just today becomes your always. Every it's only a few minutes becomes years when repeated. Every small conscious choice is a way of saying, I refuse to waste my life. Do not wait for a perfect day to start respecting your time. Respect this one. In the quiet, simple way you choose to use it.